Hello, dear respected professor and admission committee members. My name is Mohammad Siam Sarkar. I am from Bangladesh. I am 21 years old. I am applying for Inter English Academic Purpose EAP program at Konkuk University. I completed my secondary school certificate in 2020 with a GPA 4.44 out of 5, and I have completed my higher secondary certificate in 2022 with a GPA 4.67 out of 5. To prepare myself for studying in an international academic environment, I also took the International English Language Testing System IELTS examination and achieved overall band score 5.5, no band less than 5.5. I would like to go abroad for my higher study. I chose South Korea for my higher study. Otherwise, my parents always suggest to me study in South Korea because they seem that South Korea is fully safe for international student. My father is sponsor me, so I will be able to my fully focus on study in South Korea. I researched various university in South Korea. Then I found Konkuk University. Konkuk University is well known for their various program. I find out a preferable program in Konkuk University. My primary goal is to join the EAP program for prepare myself university level study. Although I have IELTS band score 5.5, I understand that academic studies are required advanced reading, writing, listening, and speaking skills. So, through the EAP program, I hope that to improve my advanced reading, writing, and communication skills. Otherwise, by EAP program, I can adapt it to another students. After completing EAP program, I joined to bachelor program at Konkuk University, and afterward, I completing my bachelor degree. I will come back my country, and I applied my knowledge which I acquired from Konkuk University. My country is a developing country. There are a lot of projects are required, the infrastructure development on our community. So those projects are required a manager. So after completing my graduation, I want to join these projects as a manager in our country. Otherwise, I have a plan. I would like to be entrepreneurship. I want to make a own company. Thank you so much for your time and consideration. I am looking forward to be a part of Konkuk University student community. Thank you again.